this is the episode where we talk about the bads of Bollywood. That's Param Sundari Bagi 4.
Tagdum ta-na-na-na-na-na.
By the only good thing about the film was Sonu Nigam.
Yeah.
And he wasn't even in the film.
I haven't seen it, but still I agree.
Yeah, he was the best thing by not being in it.
By not being in it, bro.
That's it. Yeah, even Janhvi and Siddharth shouldn't have been in it.
Nobody should have been in it, bro.
Yeah.
Maddock, what the fuck are you doing, bro?
Dude, horrible. Okay, so there's so much to talk about on this episode.
Oh, yes, yes.
Firstly, yes, we are doing an episode after a couple of weeks.
Yes.
We were MIA because Sir was traveling and this guy was
and
doing
these
other
two
things.
people were not replying on the group.
Hey, I replied.
Let's
okay.
be 100. Yes, that is true. We were like, Sneh's out of town. ठीक है यार, we can take 1 week थोड़ा आराम से यार, थोड़ा आराम करो यार, घर में चले गए.
बट नहीं, ये दो इस एपिसोड में हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट उन सारी चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे जो हमने 2 हफ्ते में मिस करी हैं.
Yeah, it wasn't like a very eventful week, 2 weeks.
बट आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ मैसेजेस कि लोका देख कर आओ, लोका देख कर आओ.
लोका
तो लोका देखी मैंने.
Yes.
मैंने भी देखी.
वेरी गुड. मैंने तो कल ही देखी है इनफैक्ट. परम सुंदरी मैंने देखी क्योंकि
Bro, horrible.
बट
मुंह का स्वाद खराब हो जाता है.
And we'll also talk about Bads of Bollywood, which is the Aryan Khan directorial and writer debut.
Bro,
and probably
He has co-writers, right? Definitely. It's
I'm
not
sure,
yeah,
and
of
he
course.
must
It's
have
not him
he must have
himself.
like co-directors also.
yeah.
Karan Johar is on the show. I'm sure Karan Johar has
Co-directed.
नहीं मतलब ऐसे कुछ तो
मेरे को ये एंगल से shoot
हाँ
कर.
silver
Amir is on the show.
Salman is on the show and Shahrukh is on the show.
But Amir is directed also directed. I mean,
Bads of Bollywood.
No,
no, I mean he's
other
also
things.
directed
Other things.
a movie.
Oh,
Acha,
So
acha.
since you said Karan Johar is in the movie, I was like, Amir is also in the movie.
Nice. It's a show. It's not a movie.
It's okay, man. Netflix पे सब same है.
आजा. बट ठीक है, उससे पहले आगे जाने से पहले a lot of people जो लोगों ने मेंबरशिप खरीदा था.
Thank you.
मूविंग ऑन. वो लोग हमसे पूछ रहे थे कि
Loka is good movie.
वो लोग हमसे पूछ रहे थे कि सालों हरामजादों तुमने हमसे मेंबरशिप तो खरीदवा लिया इमोशनल ब्लैकमेल कर करके कि हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है.
नहीं है.
Which is
You want to see my bank account? What proof do you want?
तुम्हें क्या लग रहा है हमने एपिसोड क्यों नहीं किया था? क्योंकि एडिटर को देने के लिए पैसे नहीं है हमारे पास.
That
is true.
Part of the problem. Part of the zigger. If you're listening to us.
ये नहीं एडिटर एक हफ्ता
Oh,
बोले कि चलो यार
Yeah.
इस
ये
एपिसोड
वाला
के
हम
पैसे
free
मत
में कर
देना.
देते हैं.
नहीं,
Yeah.
पैसे चाहिए उसको.
तो बेसिकली हम लोग एक अनाउंसमेंट करने वाले हैं
Basically.
जो अभी है कि जो भी मेंबर्स हैं हमारे 2 टियर्स थे.
You.
एक था कैरमल और दूसरा था सॉल्टेड.
Salted.
ठीक है. हमारे 20 मेंबर्स थे और अब वो 18 रह गए हैं. हमारी ही गलती है
There are 2 fans.
हाँ, मैंने कैंसिल कर
2
दिया.
fans stick around in times of need.
क्योंकि हमने पर्क्स अनाउंस करे थे. बट राइट नाउ इज द टाइम, इज द मोमेंट where we announce perks. ठीक है. सो ओके, सीरियस टॉक. पर्क्स हमारे जो 2 टियर्स हैं वो हैं कैरमल और सॉल्टेड. तो हम क्या करने वाले हैं, क्योंकि हम एक मूवी पॉडकास्ट है, फिल्म पॉडकास्ट है, तो हम अपने मेंबर्स को देंगे फ्री मूवी टिकट्स.
I thought we'll just give them a movie.
और वो भी जल्दी एंड वो फ्री मूवी टिकट्स के साथ साथ हम आपको चांस देंगे हमारे एपिसोड पे फीचर होने का भी अपने घर से. तो मतलब बेसिकली जो आप मूवी देखकर आओगे उसका आप वीडियो में बना के दे सकते हो. बट इसके लिए एक लेयर है.
These are amazing perks, firstly.
हाँ.
Can we ourselves as hosts become members of our own channel?
तो जो हमारे 2 टियर्स हैं कैरमल के जो पर्क्स हैं वो ये हैं कि हम आपको एक कपल मूवी टिकट देंगे और जो भी मूवी आपकी पसंद की मूवी, आपकी पसंद का हॉल.
Baghi 4, we won't judge you. It's okay. we
अगर
understand.
आपको ऐसा बागी 4 टाइप पिक्चर देखनी है तो मुझे डीएम करना. आपको ऐसा ओडिसी देखना है तो आप बास को बता सकते
और मुझे DM मत करना.
ठीक है. तो जो भी हमारे कैरमल टियर वाले हैं उनको हम एक कपल मूवी टिकट्स देंगे.
they get it, Sneh?
अरे मेरे को बताने तो दे चीचा. ठीक है.
No. Good question, Abbas.
ठीक है. एंड फिर जो भी आप मूवी देख कर आ रहे हो, यू विल गेट 60 seconds टू गिव अस अ रिव्यू ऑफ दैट फिल्म, रिकॉर्ड इट ऐसा लैंडस्केप में, ताकि अपन ऐसा वीडियो में फीचर कर पाएं. हमारे एपिसोड के एंड पे आपका रिव्यू हम लोग फीचर करेंगे, जो भी मूवी आप देख कर आओगे, फुल्ली पेड. पर ये नहीं कि जाके पॉपकॉर्न खरीद लो. हाँ, सिर्फ ऐसा टिकट.
It's crazy that we are popcorn tears, but we're not paying
पॉपकॉर्न नहीं दे पा रहे. ठीक है, ठीक है.
On a show called Popcorn
Conversation.
That's hilarious.
That's so funny, dude. That's how expensive PVR popcorns are at this point. ठीक है. And for everyone who has taken membership of the Salted Tour, हम आपको एक मूवी टिकट देंगे.
Yeah, you loners. you got one. Okay.
Man, you should have started with a single ticket and then moved on to the double ticket.
No, look at it this way: the money that they're saving on the cheaper tier, that they can save that money and buy a ticket for their friend.
अपने अपने पार्टनर के लिए, अपने फ्रेंड के लिए, या अपग्रेड करने के लिए, ताकि हम आपको दो दे दे. ठीक है. But that's the scene. 2 tickets and a feature in the episode for the caramel tier and 1 free ticket for the salted tier.
So, how do we actually win these tickets, Snehal?
I shall tell you, Abbas, and all the members. तो जो हमारे 2 tiers हैं, उनमें से हम लोग 2 randomization जो इंटरनेट पे होता है, फुल डिस्क्लोजर आपके सामने एपिसोड पे करेंगे. कैरमल टियर वाले जो मेंबर्स हैं, उनको हम एक रैंडमाइजेशन उसमें डालेंगे. जो दूसरे वाले हैं, सॉल्टेड वाले, उनको हम दूसरे उसमें डालेंगे. हर 2 हफ्ते में हम 2 विनर्स निकालेंगे, एक फ्रॉम कैरमल, एक फ्रॉम सॉल्टेड. तो बेसिकली महीने में
2 बार.
2 बार. 4 विनर्स पर मंथ.
Correct. Yeah.
6 विनर ना.
अबे 6 टिकटें हैं, विनर्स तो 4 हैं.
Correct. Don't get confused, guys.
4 winners, 6 tickets.
4 winners, 6 tickets.
It might sound like we are confused, but you don't be.
As you can tell, we have given very hard thought to these perks.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Hard thought is also what that company gives in that 30-minute break.
तो बेसिकली आपको मिलेगा उस
टिकट. हम लोग ब्लैक का उल्टा कर रहे हैं. हम लोग फ्री में
हम फ्री में दे रहे हैं, बिकॉज वी आर वाइट लाइव्स मैटर.
हम लिटरली ब्लैक का वाइट में कर रहे हैं तुम्हारे लिए यार.
बट या आई होप यू लाइक दिस पर्क. एंड हम लोग ऑब्वियसली इसके साथ साथ और भी चीज़ें लाते रहेंगे साथ में. बट दिस इज टू बिगिन विद, सो दैट ऐसा ना लगे कि हम भूल गए भाई आप लोग को मेंबरशिप, ऐसा कि ले लो करके फिर हम ही भूल गए. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. हम सबका ध्यान रखते हैं. हम आपका भी ध्यान रखें.
तेरे बिन
अब चैनल चला नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या ही व्यूज मेरा. वाह,
क्या बात है.
गुलजार साहब से कल ही मिलने चाहता हूँ.
वरुण ग्रोवर, look out.
Yes.
All right, let's get to it, guys. Enough with these fucking porks.
And
What
munches
is
and
yeah, munches
Kit
and
Kats.
Kit Kats. What is this rubbish? Ferrero Rocher or nothing? Okay, is what I say. Let's go, guys. Big episode, huge episode, the biggest.
Yes.
We have a lot to talk about. Firstly, the
Bands.
beginning, the last 2 weeks when we went on break, the first thing that we saw was Param Sundari.
Yes.
But I feel Param Sundari is a very fuck all movie that we should not waste that much time on and give that much prominence on this
Yeah.
episode.
Acha, okay.
I would much rather we talk about an awesome movie that all 3 of us saw. Fucking
Loka.
Loka Beatles.
Loka chapter 1 Chandra.
वो पता हनी सिंह का गाना, I'm going loca, loca,
Yeah.
loca, loca,
Thank God it wasn't in the
loca.
movie.
Yeah. Dude, that's also a new song, right? It's a recent song, no?
It's like
I heard it recently at least.
उसकी रिकवरी के बाद का पहला गाना था वो.
Exactly. Yeah, so it's a recent song.
बीमार पड़ गया था बीच में.
भाई पागल है
भाई
क्या?
क्या कैसे गधे हो गया
क्या हुआ था हनी से?
भाई हनी
Addiction हो गया था भाई.
बाइपोलर डिसऑर्डर था भाई.
तूने इसका
I have no idea. No, I have not
documentary
seen the
देखा क्या?
documentary.
Dude,
no.
that's an actually like a good documentary.
नहीं, but
Please, what
regardless, I
I've
thought you
heard.
would know this. He had
Why?
that whole
Why?
Lallan Top and all that shit. What are you
Huh?
talking
I just
about?
saw that bit where
Lallan
he
Top is
says
your favorite interviewer in history.
That's the only
You
bit
keep
I saw
talking
was
about how
the
awesome the Lallan Top dude is.
balls. He's okay. सौरभ द्विवेदी. वही मैंने देखा वो जो बोलता है कि उसने Blue है पानी पानी is a fuck all song and he doesn't know what he's never smoked weed or something he said no on that.
He said कि मैं एक दिन में 12 जॉइंट
अच्छा
फूकता
ऐसा
था.
बोला है.
तो completely उल्टा हो गया तो भाई.
Maybe I was not in the.
उसमें I think
शायद तूने शॉट मारा था भाई.
Maybe I was high when I
I
was
think
watching.
interview में एक point है where it's like where Saurabh is acting all कि weed क्या
correct.
गांजा क्या होता है क्या होता है कैसे वो हरा
साला
जैसा
जैसे पता ही नहीं साले तू मीडिया में है तेरे को आइडिया नहीं
तुम लोग ने वो क्लिप देखा?
I remember what Saurabh Dwivedi reports on when he sees drugs as a journalist. ये क्या है यार? ये तो पता ही ये सफेद टैल्कम पाउडर क्यों लेते हैं?
अरे सुनो तुम धनिया यही छोड़ गई क्या?
जिस हफ्ते वो कपिल शर्मा के शो पे आया था, there's one video of his old video that went viral where somebody is asking him what do you think about the Kapil Sharma show. वाहियात फूहड़ किस्म का शो.
That's literally what happened.
अगर आपको महिला का ड्रेस पहन के हंसी लेनी पड़ती है तो वाहियात शो है.
That's literally what happened to Praneeth More on Big Boss.
By the way,
Salman got receipts for Praneeth
by the way,
More.
very good friend Praneeth. Huh? My very
your
good
friend?
friend
Praneeth More?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
okay.
didn't know
Oh.
this.
Bhai, we recorded a pilot with him at previous company. Yes.
Oh, sorry.
So that's how you know him from that?
No, we used to work together in Mirchi. And then वहाँ से when he became an influencer, I called him on a podcast. We recorded a pilot, and now he's in Big Boss.
So yeah, dude, this Praneeth thing. Did you watch that clip by the way?
I've just seen the clip.
I also just seen the clip. तो वो उस पे वो बड़ा वायरल हो रहा था, तू आया नहीं तू बुलाया गया है, एंड देन ऑल द पीपल दैट सलमान टुक द केसेस ऑफ, उन सबका लिस्ट में नाम था कि
वो कंपाइलेशन आजकल बहुत चल रहा है
Yeah.
रील्स पे.
Dude, exactly. So there are like a few moments that have already gone very viral from this season. One is this Praneeth wala thing.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
And the other thing is Salman that we also talked about this on our WhatsApp group.
Oh, yeah.
Which is Salman literally. So you know how this moment came about? Okay, I'll just relay the moment. You guys don't know.
Yes,
Let me-
Gayatri, you're the Big Boss watcher.
I am now the Big Boss watcher in this.
He's
in
the
this
only
group.
person who's watched
This
Big
is
Boss and
insane.
he's so excited about
This is
it.
insane.
नहीं, पिछले एपिसोड में तूने वो भी बोला था ना, बिग बॉस मुझे हर्ट हो रहा है.
हाँ.
Means you are also a
Oh,
Big
that's
Boss.
very
that's
famous.
so bro.
That's so also Gautam Gulati.
Gautam Gulati.
Yeah.
Last episode only.
Yeah.
Anyway, how did that come
So
about?
that came about because Shahnaz Gill's brother.
हाँ.
She has a brother.
Yeah.
Which is
Shahbaz.
Gill, just as irritating as her,
What the fuck, bro?
if not more.
I don't find her irritating.
You don't think Shahbaz is irritating?
No, मतलब
No,
शहबाज को तो मैंने देखा ही नहीं है.
Shahnaz over time.
Shahnaz.
Shahnaz has cooled down now as a person. She's a much more chill person than she was.
But she was very
when she was
fun in
doing
the
Big Boss.
Big Boss season.
Oh,
bro.
she
अच्छा,
again
पहले भी आ
that's that
चुकी है.
personality.
अच्छा, अब उसका भाई है.
Oh, उसका
Yeah.
भाई है. So anyway, so now she has come to introduce her brother going into the house as a wildcard entry.
Wildcard entry, yes.
And she's like giving maska to Salman. Okay. She's like, भाई आपने तो कितनों का करियर बना दिया है भैया भाई. In her
One being Shahnaz herself.
Yeah, of course.
हाँ.
Wait, of course. And then नहीं I think first she says कि आपने बहुत का करियर डुबा दिया है, बहुत का बना भी दिया है. ओके, बट बिफोर शी कैन से बहुत का बना भी दिया है, सारे सलमान को अरे किसका बिगाड़ दिया है मैंने यार. सब बोलते रहते हैं बिगाड़ दिया मेरे को बताओ किसका बिगाड़ा है मैंने.
एक बेचारा दुबई में बैठा.
मैं किसी और का करियर डुबाऊं उससे पहले मैं अपना ही करियर डुबा देता हूँ.
वो तो किया ही
डुबा
है
दूंगा.
उसने, like वो तो.
पर वो तो अभी कर रहा है. वो तो पर पता नहीं
But
कितना डालता
he'll
है.
be good in Battle of Galwan.
By the way, AR Murugan.
कौन बना रहा है वो
I'm not sure.
No idea.
प्रोडक्शन?
I was saying AR Murugan की दूसरी पिक्चर आई मदरासी इस हफ्ते या पिछले हफ्ते, and that movie is good apparently.
भाई यार मुरुगदास ने apparently has said like a lot of
Yeah, that he
bad things about
सुबह के
Dude,
शॉट
that-
रात को शुरू होते थे.
That so Murugadoss has come out against, and Dabangg 1 का director
अनुराग कश्यप का भाई
Abhinav Kashyap
Abhinav Kashyap.
has also come out and said that this guy is a gunda. They called him a gunda, saying कि nothing was in my control, everything is handled by Salman's team only.
तभी तो
तो
अच्छी
अच्छी पिक्चर बन गई भाई. That's the one good Dabangg.
एक क्रेडिट जो तेरे को मिल रहा था दोस्त वो भी
यार अच्छी पिक्चर बनाने के बाद don't you know.
like Dabangg 1 is literally the best Dabangg out of the three
absolutely.
Dabangs.
And I would say from all the Salman's lot of that era of Salman film movies that
Hey,
Salman,
wanted,
one of the best.
bro.
Bajrangi
That-
Bhaijaan is also good. Yeah.
Bajrangi
No,
Bhaijaan, Sultan.
Like,
Sultan
no,
is
I'm
also
talking about
good,
that badass superhero Salman aura. That's not Bajrangi.
That 2009 to 2017.
But Bajrangi is not that aura, na. It doesn't come.
Well, for me
it's
it
not
is,
that-
yaar. Stop.
But it's not okay.
Stop forcing your opinion onto me, man.
Stop forcing
You
your
go to your you go to your Saurabh Dwivedi.
Go watch fucking Big Boss, yaar.
Go sleep with your Saurabh.
He doesn't want to sleep with me.
You asked.
Like गमछे के बिना नहीं सोऊंगा.
Oh,
हमने बिग
ठीक
बॉस
है ना भाई, BDSM.
टॉप पे भी कभी नहीं कोई नहीं आने वाला है.
चलो
Fuck,
कपिल शर्मा की मारते हैं.
How did we get here? We were talking about Param Sundari. No. What were we
Loka.
talking about?
I know we started talking about Loka.
started talking about
And then
Loka.
something happened.
See,
Alright.
that's the USP of our
Of this
podcast.
show,
Yeah. Where else? Where else?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't stick to topic. Jamie doing what? 10 minutes on one topic?
Why we were getting hate on?
No, we lost Jamie.
Jamie
Jamie
also
back.
at this point.
What?
एक बंदे ने comment किया like
That is the best episode ever, dude.
नहीं जैमी के एपिसोड पे नहीं like someone has commented कि तुम लोग ज्यादा ही इन्फ्लुएंस हो गए हो जैमी से. He's just
Snehal is reiterating Jamie's thoughts ऐसे बोला था ना.
वो तो अलग था.
Okay, cut that then, please.
किसी ने ये भी लिखा था कि he is just a whiner on the internet who whines about
Jamie?
almost. हाँ.
भाई तुम अच्छी
I
चीज
mean, but
बनाओ
that's
तो अच्छा
every
बोलेगा.
that's gonna be every other YouTuber is a whiner वैसे तो. हम भी whiner ही है थोड़ा.
No, but Vine shut down. Now it's all reels. Thank
That's
you
what-
guys. That was my time.
Nice.
Thanks for sticking around.
अगर कभी आपको लगे कि अब्बास का कॉमेडी करियर क्यों नहीं चला, this is the reason guys.
Nice. Well done.
So
Okay.
Loka Chapter 1 Chandra. What do you guys think? I loved it. I thought it was amazing.
I also
Yeah,
thought it
even
was
I loved
amazing. If you haven't watched it, quick plot. Should we?
I mean the plot is very thick, but you can give
Okay,
like a
quick plot.
primer. Huh?
A new girl moves into town.
Bro, very pretty bro.
I mean, talk about
Can't
now
don't
that's
change, man.
that's a Param Sundari is what I would say.
But I agree. Yes,
Bro,
you're right.
Very pretty bro.
very pretty, very
pretty.
very hot.
A girl moves into town.
ये देखो पता है
And-
यहीं पे ये एक लाइन होती है मैंने
Yes.
very pretty and very hot.
Bro,
This
but
is the line.
see, I mean, you can't deny that when the vampire teeth come out and she's sucking the blood out of everybody, it's fucking hot, bro. And the costumes and everything that have been given to her. It's,
Why? I fully didn't mean it in this way.
अरे भाई किसी को हॉट बोलना कॉम्प्लीमेंट होता है यार.
नहीं हॉट बोलना कॉम्प्लीमेंट होता
हाँ.
है. But when the vampire teeth come out and she's sucking the blood.
Yeah, it's like okay, we'll come to that later.
No, we'll not come to that.
The
Also,
internal block
we-
fucking amazing.
Dude,
The reveal.
I wasn't gonna reveal that she's a vampire.
that is
like out
Yeah.
there.
in the open.
It's out there?
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone knows. Okay, so she's a vampire. A vampire moves into town and starts sucking the life blood out of people. Abbas finds her hot. That's the movie. Thank you guys.
Kalyani
Please watch it.
Priyadarshan is the name of the lead.
Oh, yeah, Kalyani
who
Priyadarshan,
plays
yeah.
Chandra. So the film is set in Bangalore. Again, bro, my thing is war, Brahmastra, all these what क्या कहते हैं shared universe films that Bollywood is trying to make, right?
Over budgeted.
Bro, when we were talking about War 2, literally every scene is set in a different country, different
Yeah.
city.
Yeah.
There is no identity of the movie, right?
Yeah.
Loka, mein the way they have shot
Oh,
Bangalore,
beautiful.
so beautiful.
Bro, all the
Some
neon
of it-
signs, all the.
Some of it is a sound stage you can
Yeah.
make out, but
Yeah.
still the look and feel of the
Absolutely.
city that they
Bro,
get together.
amazing
is so
amazing
great.
I loved how they used the classic vampire colors black and red in the film. Fucking amazing bro, crazy, loved it.
Dude, so I went.
Whoever recommended Loka to me, I have like a lot of messages in my
It was
phone.
jammy.
नहीं, a lot of people texted me कि भाई लोका देखो, ये देखो, बहुत सही है, बहुत सही है. Thank you to each and every
So
one of you.
when did the movie show up on your radar? Because
Jamie.
Jamie, right? Because Dulquer Salmaan has produced this movie.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
Dude,
I
that was- I was
saw
also
Jamie
surprised.
tweet about it, so I checked out the trailer, and the trailer looked fucking.
Oh,
cool and
I didn't
amazing.
watch anything.
I don't watch anything.
I
Same.
didn't watch anything. मुझे जब एक बंदे का मैसेज आया था, हम लोग चलो ठीक है, इस बंदे को पसंद आई होगी, वेरी गुड. फिर मुझे 3-4 मैसेज आए एक के बाद एक, and I was like, bro,
Yeah.
Should
checking
watch.
out. It's crossed 200 crores, by the way.
Oh, it
made on a
has?
budget of 30 crores.
30
Oh no,
crores, yeah,
apparently
yeah.
that's what they're saying.
Bro,
But-
फिर भी कितना ही ज्यादा होगा, 50
I'll
करोड़
tell
भी
you,
होगा.
30 crores just to make the film, but a lot has gone into the marketing of it.
Still,
That's-
as
that
compared
has crossed
to
about 100
a lot of other.
भाई 100
Hindi
crores भी
films.
होगा,
No,
तो
correct.
भी 100% profit.
That's true. You're right. In that, you're right. But I'm just saying 30 crores, apparently they're like really undercoding to make it seem like.
Fair,
much
it's
bigger.
okay.
But which is, dude, regardless, it's an
Yeah,
awesome
yeah,
movie.
yeah.
Yeah.
हाँ, plot बता दो.
So should I try and take a dig at the plot?
Please.
So
Take a dig at the
take a
plot.
dig at the plot. Like dig it. Can you
Can I fuck the plot?
No, so
ये सब क्या कर रहे हो भाई?
girl moves into to a new city, Bangalore, but right across from her building is a building where 3 bachelors stay.
Yep.
Yeah, and one of them is the quote unquote hero of the movie, but they very soon figure out that something is up with this girl. The boy has a crush on the girl. He invites her to a party, but they start noticing कि भाई कुछ अजीबोगरीब चीजें हो रही हैं इसके घर में, कुछ तो है. So this boy.
I figured out. I had no idea that this is a vampire.
Oh,
movie, by
really?
the way. Yeah,
Okay,
when
okay.
going
Bro,
into it.
figured out in the very first
Yeah,
scene.
yeah, very soon.
Very first
soon.
scene.
And then I was just narrating to Kirti and irritating the hell out of her. I was like, yeah, see, that's a vampire trope. Oh, that's a vampire trope. That's a vampire killing trope. That's a whatever, stake to the heart, blood, whatever.
So the one the moments in this movie, right? Like there's a sequence to introduce the villain of the movie, where a lady is on the street alone talking on a phone, and there's this bunch of dudes in a rickshaw following her. And then in the typical, like from whatever we've seen of many South Indian films, there is a scene where a cop comes out of a police car, and the way he's framed is like, oh, now he will save her.
Save
He'll
her,
beat up
yeah.
the guys, he'll save her. And he,
But it's subvert, yeah.
हाँ, and he does that. Those guys run off. फिर ये लड़की को देख के बोलता है कि तू इतनी रात को अकेले क्या कर रही है?
हाँ.
And that's when you realize, okay, the movie is going to subvert
Yeah.
expectations and tropes at
Yeah.
every single turn that they get.
Yeah.
Bro, the world building, of course, like I said, this is chapter 1. It's a shared universe
Yeah.
movie. Movie starts also in the middle of action. If you remember, Chandra's intro scene is she's
Yeah.
in this
Yeah.
futuristic
Yeah.
kind of city,
Yeah.
and it seems like she's time traveled back to Bangalore of today. The mythos, the interval point, bro,
Oh,
when
so
they are cross cutting between the flashback of who Chandra is
हाँ.
in the lore of mythology, कह
Yes,
लो,
yes.
and who she is in today's time, the way they've cross cut for the big reveal, it is मेरे को तो मजा आ
You know,
गया.
I like kind of. I don't know if they meant to do this.
Yeah.
I saw a parallel with. Do you remember Justice League, the animated series?
Yeah.
Okay. There's a very awesome 2-parter episode with Vandal Savage.
Yes. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
The Vandal Savage origin is that he and a meteorite crashed. So this is like Vandal Savage has been around since like prehistory, since like the dawn of man. Okay, like that's the Vandal Savage's origin. One of the villains of the Justice League. And a meteorite falls, and he's like, oh, that was the only thing warm around. So leave. But the rest of my tribe was like too afraid to go near the comet. But I was like, fuck this shit. I just want the heat. So I went and slept next to the comet. And next day when I woke up after absorbing all that heat or that warmth, next day I woke up and then I just never aged. Any wound that I gets healed, whatever. So like that's kind of how they've explained vampirism here, right? She was next to this, got to like this monument shrine kind of thing in like this underwater, in this underground kind of cave.
It's a cave, yeah.
Yeah. Underground cave. Yeah, that's what I
Bro, but she gets bit by a bat.
but then also like bats can bite anyway. That is, they're not implying that it's not just the bats.
It's
biting.
just the bats.
No, it's not just that. It's being in that cave in the presence of that presence.
Goddess, yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's
For
just
sure,
the-
dude.
Why they
Bats can bite you anyway, dude.
No. So I'll tell you. I think they try to build that mystique around, but they also give a scientific explanation to that कि जो bat ने उसको bite किया है, this is a virus which is found in
They did, you're right.
bats.
Yeah.
And अगर आपकी body clean है, जो आपकी बॉडी में कभी आपने अल्कोहल नहीं लिया है, कभी आपने ड्रग्स नहीं किए हैं, स्मोक नहीं किया, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा, तो उस वायरस का, उस पर्टिकुलर बैट के उस वायरस का अगर आपके ब्लड में आ जाता है तो उससे कुछ ऐसा म्यूटेशन होता है जो वैम्पायरिज्म में कन्वर्ट होता है. यू आर राइट कि उन्होंने वो मिस्टिक बिल्ड करने का ट्राई किया है कि वो मंदिर में जाना अलाउड नहीं था, घुंघरू वहां पे लाके बांध दिया, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा, जहां पे वो उनकी देवी है, कास्ट सिस्टम सब कुछ. बट दे ऑल्सो गिव अ प्रॉपर साइंटिफिक एक्सप्लेनेशन टू दैट, एंड दैट इज वाई व्हेन शी बाइट्स द विलन तब वो कन्वर्ट होता है. एंड ही ऑल्सो आस्क कि अगर
that also did you how soon into the villain being introduced did you guys realize ke he's gonna become a vampire?
Oh, very soon. Like
Yeah, it was pretty
Soon enough,
expected.
pretty expected, yeah. Because then कोई तो एक उस लेवल का विलन भी तो चाहिए ना यार पूरी स्टोरी में. Anyway, also I have this doubt. I don't know. मतलब I am not that well aware.
तूने हिंदी डब देखी कि मलयालम ओरिजिनल?
मैंने मलयालम देखी.
I tried Malayalam.
मलयालम देखी मैंने. ठीक है, तो मुझे इसमें एक डाउट है कि there are places जहाँ पे they like people around them are talking in Kannada.
Yeah.
And they say कि sorry we are not from here.
Yeah.
And we are like we know
We don't-
Malayalam.
हाँ, we don't
ठीक
know
है.
Kannada, हाँ, Kannada
So
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
हाँ. So now I want to know कि is there some political layer to it?
Yeah. So, a lot of students from the neighboring states come to Karnataka to study.
Study,
right?
okay.
And Karnataka also has this whole movement which is very of क्या बोलूं उसको, like you should know Kannada if you're in Karnataka.
हाँ, like the language politics, वो तो है ही है.
So all the official work that happens there, the police, all the clerks, everybody, it's a huge disadvantage of if you don't know Kannada there.
Okay.
So
Sure.
yeah, so it is there is always that tension between. If you see the cop character, the villain, he also speaks Tamil in the movie. He
Yeah.
speaks Tamil also. He speaks Kannada also, and he's. It is implied he knows Malayalam, but he, I think, doesn't speak Malayalam or whatever. But वही है कि he's a superiority
Complex.
a character who is using that against these students, where they're like, oh, ek to you're a student, you're probably drinking and doing drugs in this house, plus you don't know Kannada also, right? So it's,
मतलब is it just language politics या उन दो states का आपस में भी कुछ problem है? Language politics तो I understood, but is there a problem like between the states also? Like is there a political tension between the states as well?
not majorly. There's more of a tension between Tamil Nadu and Karnataka because of the Kaveri water.
Kaveri waters, yes, for sure.
So yeah, but there is a certain all the southern states are fighting to be the best among these things. So
fair.
there is that.
हाँ, so मतलब this was one thing
if,
जो
if
मेरे
there
को
is I'm missing and someone knows
please,
this,
हाँ,
please put it in
मतलब
the
because
Yeah, that'll be great, yeah.
like I think there कोई तो reason होगा कि उन्होंने ये एक बार नहीं, दो बार नहीं, 3 बार नहीं, almost
because I have
regular
been that guy. I've been a non-Kannada speaker in Bangalore. So, but yeah, this language superiority, if that's the correct word.
Yeah.
Especially when I was there in the 2000s, was there a lot in Karnataka. This whole thing that if you're putting something on a board in English,
Yeah.
you have to mention it in the local language also. I think comes from Karnataka.
Is
Whereas
it?
like if you're writing McDonald's in English, then you have to write McDonald's in Kannada also. Yeah. He's never going to Bangalore.
I'm saying Hindi, McDonald's. How is this?
But I think in the movie, it's again emphasized for the outsider aspect
fair,
of it. Yeah.
fair,
Yeah.
understood. ठीक है.
Yeah. What did you think of Loka?
Man, I had a blast. Really loved it. And I kept being so impressed because, like, by that point, I had heard what the budget was, and I had already heard it's definitely a movie worth watching, whether you like it or not. I loved it. But I kept thinking how well the budget seems to have been used.
Yeah.
Like, in the sense, so see, what happens is, if you know that you don't have the budget to have fucking crazy CGI, you use your CGI smartly.
Yeah.
Right? You use darkness to your advantage. All of that lends itself so well already to a vampire flick, so to say.
Yeah.
It was very good. Like, in the sense, the best CGI wise, the best Maddox film I would say is Bhedia.
Okay.
CGI wise,
Yeah.
right? Maybe 3-1 because to some extent they played with that atmosphere thing pretty
Bhedia
well.
का तो climax ही पूरा CGI है. The
Yeah,
two
exactly, right?
worlds together. हाँ.
Yeah, but over here they use the CGI, but still, this feels like a better use of budget
Yeah.
than that movie did to me. Bhedia also I didn't like, so maybe that all adds into it.
Right.
Fucking amazing acting. The Kalyani Priyadarshan is the fucking badass dude.
Yeah, man.
Dude, all those action sequences that she has to go through.
कितना घटिया
Yeah.
गंदा आदमी है भाई.
Amazing.
चुप कर. हाँ?
Amazing.
कैमरा इसी पर रखना, हाँ जिगर, जब इसके जो इसने ऐसा स्लाइड ऐसा ये किया है ना.
Hey, I want to give a shout out to Tovino Thomas who plays that magician.
Baller, bro.
guy who
Oh,
comes,
that's
bro.
the
Crazy.
tease of the
So
next movie
cool.
also.
Sorry,
by the way.
spoiler alert. But yeah.
Yeah. Tovino Thomas is
Tease of the next film isn't tease of the next film.
DQ.
Yeah.
so I think
but I think.
So what-
Did you sit through both the post credit scene? मैंने एक ही देखा.
Oh, I
There
saw
were-
both.
There were two
The
post credit. There were two
losers,
post credit.
losers.
So Tovino Thomas is there in the second post credit
Oh,
scene.
that's right. Now I won't tell you what I would.
Oh shit.
Okay, so the first.
Spoiler alert, spoiler.
We'll tell them how the movie ends also,
Yeah,
right?
sure.
The movie
So
ends.
one thing I have to say, I think the first half of this movie is stronger than the second half. The second half gets into a bit of अब तो fighting होना ही है. तो like
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Also the trope of also there's the trope of the cops have surrounded a building.
Yeah.
Okay, but all of them can't enter. Sorry, boss. We'll send only 5 people at a time, and every single time they send 5 SWAT people. They get killed. Like, oh, और तो नहीं जा सकते. Sorry. We had only 5 people to get to expose to get disposed of. To let be disposed of. Crazy. So they do this multiple times, by the way, and then the cops then forget that this building is supposed to be under siege. So सुबह हो गई. And cops are still there. Just chilling. Sitting outside. I liked all these little vampire trope nuggets that they threw in throughout the movie.
You're
like
so
even
right,
things
bro.
like the holy. What is the name of the cafe? The Holy Cross.
Holy Cross, I think.
Holy
that's
Cross
something
Cafe,
like that.
right?
Yeah.
Even stuff like that, because Cross is like vampire.
By the way, that guy was in
Cross.
12th Fail, if you remember. He's the guy Vikrant Massey goes to for advice, who becomes the officer, and then वो बोलता है कि उसको कि तू ऐसे लिख के दिखा.
In the beginning of the movie?
Holy Cross owner, the actor is the same.
Oh,
in 12th
is
Fail.
it?
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
that's crazy, bro.
Nice.
Oh, wow.
वो इसमें उसने दाढ़ी उगा ली ना लेकिन.
हाँ.
हाँ तभी नहीं पहचाना.
Yeah.
हाँ.
So like the small things like that, like then
Bro,
the
there's
daywalker thing. Okay, they explain daywalkers. There's a concept in vampire lore that
A recent convert can
yeah.
still.
Yeah.
Firstly, a recent convert
Yeah.
can walk during the day. Also, like then Blade, right? That whole part of Blade, the Marvel character
Yeah.
Blade,
Wesley
he's a
Snipes.
daywalker because he's not fully a vampire.
Yeah.
And by consuming blood pellets in a way,
Pellets, huh.
he can survive without having to consume actual human blood in a way. So like so they
Pellets या platelets?
Pellets.
pellets like little pellets. Platelets are in our body already.
हाँ वही तो वो ऐसा blood platelets
नहीं
कितना
it's like
होता है?
little
Pellet मतलब बॉटल होती है यार छोटी सी.
like
अच्छा ऐसा हिंदी में बात करो ना अपने से.
छोटी बोतली.
हाँ ये है बाटली
Okay. बाटली,
पौवा
छोटी बाटली.
खून का पौवा.
अरे ये ऊपर जाने का चढ़ा देने का.
पिशाच बोलता है. वैम्पायर भी मत बोल.
वो पिशाच
पिशाच बोल. पिशाच.
चुड़ैल.
Dude, there is a word that they kept using, no?
हाँ डूड मेरे को भी नहीं समझ में आया वो word. मैं वो सबटाइटल्स में पढ़ रहा था.
लक्ष नहीं, no लक्ष.
दानव.
No, there was a word.
यक्षिणी.
ऐसे यक्ष.
Yaksh. Yaksh is a very mythological word for a demon.
Didn't recently Mandela Murders had some yaksh.
I haven't seen
हाँ
that
I
show, so
guess.
Yuns. Something.
Yes. Yeshu.
Yeah.
Yeshu.
That's when I bite into
Yash.
when I bite into something that really doesn't taste good. I go yucks. Thank you once again, guys. This is the second drop off point in the episode.
बट डूड पता है ऐसे ही और भी उसके अंदर ईस्टर एग्स टाइप थे कि जब वो द हीरो एक तो मुझे पता हीरो तो नहीं था वो ऐसा पैरेलल लीड कह सकते हैं
हाँ,
उसको
I mean,
बट
he
हाँ
was a romantic interest.
या ठीक है तो वो बंदा जब वो याद है वो पॉइंट जब वो सपना देख रहा होता है एंड लाइक ही इज वॉकिंग
yeah.
पीछे पूरे सपने के दौरान पीछे लिखा होता है वेकअप
Yeah.
आइंस्टाइन और नीचे लिखा होता है वेकअप ऐसे करके 2-4 चीजें मैंने और नोटिस करी थी पर वो वेकअप वाली ही याद रह गई मुझे ऑल्सो आई लव हाउ दे केप्ट they stayed true to the vampire tropes and yet made it
Indian.
and
Yeah.
modern.
Very cool.
भाई मतलब like if she's wearing a jacket that's red,
Yeah.
her sneakers are black, white and red.
Yeah.
उसका पूरा attire is black and red throughout the film.
Yeah.
बाल में red tints हैं. But then again she's not the fucking usual cape and this.
Correct,
मतलब
yeah.
that cape को उन्होंने रिप्लेस कर दिया जैकेट से एटसेट्रा तो वो चीजें द मॉडर्नाइजेशन इंडियनाइजेशन ऑफ
And I
वैम्पायर
just
वाज
kept
वेरी
thinking
नाइस
of Brahmastra while watching it. I'm like, what a clusterfuck that movie
Yeah,
was.
absolutely.
And
By the way, quick tangent. There is a movie coming out called Mirai. Have you guys seen the trailer of that?
No, I haven't.
It's also a superhero
Yeah,
film.
it's a
movie.
superhero
Dude,
film.
That looks like what Brahmastra should have been. Like this will be the movie that Brahmastra should have been. It actually looks very good.
मैंने उसके इंटरव्यूज देखे हैं अभी. He's the same guy जो हनुमान में था.
अच्छा.
He's the same
hero.
Yeah, he's the same hero, and Dharma is presenting the film.
Yeah, Dharma is presenting.
Dharma is
Dude,
presenting
big
the film.
hopes.
Yeah.
Correct.
So big hopes for that as well.
Yeah, so
and
very good.
and अभी अगर हम लोग like there are a lot of films and art pieces, content pieces जो हमारी mythology से inspire
Yeah.
होके release हो रहे हैं.
So in this movie also they mention there are goblins
and
other
everything.
creatures,
It's a very good mix of.
Wait, in Loka?
Yeah.
Goblins? They mention goblins?
they mention goblins, yeah, वो characterized.
तो जब वो उसे बताता है कि तुम अकेली नहीं हो इस दुनिया में, तुम्हारे जैसे और भी हैं, पॉजिटिव्स भी हैं, नेगेटिव्स भी हैं, गॉब्लिन्स भी हैं.
Oh, I just thought he meant good vampires, bad vampires.
No, गॉब्लिन्स ट्रांसलेशन में लिखा था नीचे.
Oh.
सो दैट तो वो हिंदी में शायद वो मिक्स हो गया होगा.
या तो मिक्स हो गया या फिर मैंने शायद सबटाइटल पढ़े नहीं क्योंकि मैं
हाँ तो लेकिन उसमें तो लिखा हुआ था कि गॉब्लिन्स भी हैं, ये भी हैं, वो भी हैं, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. तो दैट इज आल्सो समथिंग टू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू. एंड उन्होंने वो एल्डर भी नहीं बताया कौन है.
Elder, हाँ, I mean it's gonna be some legendary actor who will play that.
Agniastra.
I didn't think of that. I was like, either it's gonna be Mohanlal, Mammootty, Amitabh, or one of the these things. Shobin Shahir, who was in we recently saw in Coolie, he's there for one shot. He's doing some welding work, and he removes the helmet and looks at the TV. के इस पे TV पे they are both wanted. You missed that?
हाँ, I missed
okay. At my screening that got a cheer when he opens
Oh,
the
wow.
mask and sees. And yeah,
मैं जब देखने गया तो ज्यादा लोग ही नहीं थे यार.
हाँ, it's been a while since the movies. But yeah, it seems like they're gonna do like an Avengers type coming together of.
But that's how universes should work.
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
not like कि spy universe की तरह सारी stand alone पिक्चरें चल रही हैं और हर पिक्चर में एक लाइन दे देते हैं कि मैं नहीं तो पठान होगा, पठान नहीं तो टाइगर. अरे भाई
तूने दूसरी बार देखी है और
गया था ना तू? हाँ, हमें बिना बताए दिल्ली में देख के है ना.
साले ऐसे याद तो नहीं होता.
नहीं यार भाई ऋतिक ने बोला डायलॉग कैसे याद नहीं है.
Okay, so
But
anyway,
yeah,
Loka.
It's
then
still
how it
running.
ends?
Huh?
No, we're talking about the ending because we're talking about the post-credit scene that you guys don't know what happens in.
Yeah, what's the second post?
The first post-credit scene is a
Dulquer
DQ.
Salman.
नहीं जानना दूसरा पता.
The second post-credit scene is क्या था यार, मैं भूल गया यार. Oh shit.
फर्स्ट पोस्ट क्रेडिट सीन इज बेसिकली जो टाइगर 3 का पोस्ट क्रेडिट सीन था ऋतिक के साथ.
Correct. This dude with a sword can
Yeah.
like cut through bullets and shit.
Yeah.
Like Deadpool style, whatever.
GQ.
Yeah.
DQ
is
Dulquer Salman.
second cutscene. It comes at the end, at the very end of the movie, that these guys both missed, and I will build up for another 30 minutes before I say what it is. It's basically Tobino Thomas' character, the magician vampire, sitting in like a fancy restaurant kind of thing, and he's being kind of debriefed about a possible case that this inspector or police enforcer of sorts is asking him about. So like he shows him a photo of himself, of Tobino Thomas' character, and he's saying, "Okay, this is I forgot, was it a video or a photo, whatever, of this guy committing a crime, okay, or like killing someone." So like, was that you? And Tobino Thomas just smiles and he's like, "Would you believe that all my 300 or specific number, he says 300 something brothers and sisters or brothers look exactly like me," and the movie ends.
Oh.
So he has some 300 something brothers, and that's gonna be. So the assumption is from giving
भाई वो कैंग वाला कैंग डायनेस्टी.
Yeah.
could be, yeah.
Oh, dude.
So the thing is,
I noticed
the assumption
no
is based on how these two post credit scenes were treated, right? My assumption is that the Tobino Thomas one is going to be the next sequel because that's he's given him an immediate
Yeah.
jumping off point, which is the case of the 300 brothers and sisters. If they want to go that way, the DQ one is going to be on the back burner. I think they'll build that character up through multiple movies. Like इस movie में थोड़ा उतना, किसी और के picture में ऐसे थोड़ा उतना, and then build him up to be the main guy.
हो सकता है.
Is there any info on when chapter 2 is releasing?
No idea.
No, right?
This was chapter 1, Chandra.
Yeah.
Chapter 2 will be
I
other
think the
vampires
characters
names.
names will be the probably the movie names
Yeah.
for that. Yeah. But yeah, in case you haven't seen Loka, please check it out.
Please.
It's playing in the theaters. It's been क्या हो गया?
Dude, depending on how the year has gone, I think it's easily already in the top 5, Loka. If not top 3
for
or
me
something.
definitely.
100%.
Yeah, without a doubt.
Yes.
Okay, that's enough of Loka. Let's get to a movie which does not live up to its name, Param Sundari.
नहीं, but I think it lives up to the name, dude. Both of them are looking pretty though.
Oh, but the movie is not.
But the movie is also looking pretty.
Just about, dude.
Bhai, it is a full and full fledged ad for Kerala कि
That's
भाई
true.
Tourism,
कितना
yeah.
सुंदर
Dude,
city है.
actually, yeah, the only good
God's
part
own
about the
country.
movie is the cinematography.
Cinematography,
And how it's been
it's
shot and all
crazy,
that.
yeah.
So
And
good
Sonu
work on.
Nigam.
And Sonu, bro,
Tagdum, ta.
for the longest time after watching the film, I was doing this only.
Yeah, dude, you can't help it. Firstly, Pardesi.
See, यार भाई मैं खाना खाना परदेसी
तो बताओ guys कितनी बुरी है.
यार बहुत मतलब I don't know man.
There are
Why-
so many problems. Okay, firstly,
so many problems.
Okay.
I swear, dude.
like firstly,
like you know
the
was-
blatant stereotyping.
Sorry
and
sorry to cut you off. I went in to want to like the film.
Yeah. Okay, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, I was expecting it to be very
I'll tell you
mid
क्योंकि
anyway.
मुझे ज्यादा कुछ उम्मीदें नहीं थी ट्रेलर से और उससे बट मेरे घर में मेरी मम्मी सोनू निगम की बहुत बड़ी फैन है.
Yeah.
परम ये परदेसिया गाना बहुत अच्छा था. तो मम्मा ने सबको ऐसा गैसलाइट कर दिया था इनटू बिलीविंग कि फिल्म अच्छी होगी क्योंकि इसमें सोनू निगम का गाना है. ठीक है, तो हम सारे ना बहुत ही पॉजिटिव आउटलुक से फिल्म देखने गए थे.
Nice.
ओ भाई साहब भाई पता है इंटरवल में मम्मी ने पता क्या बोला कि मैंने कहा भाई हम दोनों ना जैसे ही इंटरवल हुआ हम दोनों ऐसे बैठ गए कि भाई चलो सांस ले लेते हैं 10 मिनट. देन मैं मॉम सेड कि कुछ खाना है. मैंने कहा नहीं अभी तो घर से ब्रेकफास्ट करके आए हैं. शी इज लाइक तो फिर मैं सेकंड हाफ किसके सहारे निकालूंगी भाई कुछ लेकर. देन आई वेंट आउट गॉट पॉपकॉर्न गॉट देन शी
No, you
बेसिकली
got
स्पेंड्स द
salted popcorn. Like our tier.
ओनली कैरमल
Only caramel, yes. Only caramel.
तो फिर मैं वो उन्होंने पूरा सेकंड हाफ पॉपकॉर्न खाते हुए निकाला.
Wow.
Also, the another fun part about the film was this guy, Anil Kapoor's brother, Sanjay Kapoor.
Oh, you liked him?
Oh, मुझे बहुत मजा आया.
मुझे बहुत ओवर एक्टिंग लगी यार.
Obviously, वो उसका पार्टी वो था.
Correct, वो part था, but I also thought he was very. I didn't like him. So that's the thing, dude. Like,
मुझे उसके कुछ
so
portions
no,
बहुत funny
so
लगे.
him, he was
बहुत funny नहीं funny.
he was funny-ish.
हाँ.
Okay, but his character was so not fleshed out, and none of these characters were fleshed out.
None of them, bro. And
Dude,
of course he was not.
You know,
fleshed
one
out.
of the things that I had particular problem with, one of the things in the movie that I had particular problems with, is that they. So you would think Param Sundari, okay, in 2025 a movie like this being made is the perfect grounds to actually not play into all the stereotypes.
Yeah.
Not only do they play into every single stereotype,
Every
but they
stereotype
act
ever.
as if we are holier than thou. Look at us rising above this. No, you're playing right into them every single time. That part in the trailer, the only part which actually I thought, okay, that was kind of like so Janhvi Kapoor ke type in the style of acting that she can do.
ये किस तरीके का स्टेटमेंट
That
है कि
was
जितना वो
good.
कर सकती है उसके
Correct.
हिसाब से तो ठीक
That
ही था.
whole thing के you know Rajni this
Bro,
from this
मुझे
industry.
वो भी बहुत
God.
OTT लगा भाई.
Correct, वो भी
OTT
लगा होगा.
बहुत
But
ज़्यादा.
that was the only part in the movie where I'm like,
Again,
okay, चलो ठीक है, she's done that properly at least.
Not required.
Not required.
Not required at all.
But see, you know what
मैं
I
तुम्हें
can think.
पराठे खिलाता हूँ तो मैं तुम्हें बता देती हूँ कि रजनीकांत ये नहीं होता
But bro, I can imagine what their thinking was when saying these lines.
I
When writing
understand.
these
What
lines.
was their thinking?
The thinking was, कि, dude, if tomorrow, okay, if someone wants to tell someone, oh, how do I easily differentiate between all these South Indian industries?
Yeah, no,
or
that's
whatever.
not how you do it.
Yeah,
That's definitely part of it. That
Bro,
was
like,
definitely the part of the thing.
only funny thing, the only funny dialogue that I chuckled at. I was like,
can I guess?
yeah, please.
Is बहुत बुरी तरह कट गई bro.
नहीं bro.
बहुत ही बुरा कटा है bro. जो भी था
नहीं
वो.
ब्रो वो नहीं याद मेरे को किस पे था.
Oh,
बट मैं
अच्छा.
उस पे
सरदार बोलता है.
थोड़ा सा चकल किया था where when they are like checking into the lodge or like the house homestay, they say कि आप क्या हो, आप तमिल हो या आप तेलुगु हो, कुछ ऐसे करके बोलती है. एंड देन शी इज लाइक नहीं ये नहीं ये. एंड देन शी इज लाइक ओ सेम थिंग ओनली. एंड देन शी बेसिकली सेज कि जाओ इन यूपी वालों को कमरा दिखा दो. एंड देन ही सेज कि ओ
दिल्ली से।
यूपी नहीं दिल्ली से हैं. शी इज लाइक सेम थिंग ओनली. That was the only point where I was
That's
like, okay.
the only.
Bro, that's the only thing.
That was very basic, bro.
Bro, मतलब just the
Dude.
snappy part of it I liked. उसके
The
अलावा
movie,
तो कुछ भी
the
नहीं.
movie, one of the main attractions, the Abbas, that'll entice you
Yeah.
for sure about this movie.
Are they vampires?
Is every scene,
Yeah.
every scene is a competition as to how short can we make Janhvi Kapoor's blouse. That's the entire movie.
What?
I kid you not. the entire movie is based on the premise that Janhvi Kapoor is okay wearing these non-existent blouses. Dude. He's not denying it. He's agreeing.
No.
He's absolutely
Are you
agreeing.
mad?
That is their
That is
movie.
not-
That
एक
is
second.
nothing else is a movie about.
second.
Nothing else of interest. That
The-
and Sonu Nigam's song.
The costumes of this film have been done by a friend. And
Are you
I'm
serious?
absolutely not gonna agree
Hilarious, dude.
to this.
Dude, they're talking about the costumes. Oh my god, this is great. Talking about the costumes. Okay, there is a whole plot in the movie. Sorry,
Bro,
there's a
costumes
whole
are the only good thing about
there's
the
a whole
film.
plot in the movie. Sorry to say it's right. Okay, where Siddharth Malhotra's character is jogging in like super short running shorts. Okay, this guy's a fit Mumbaikar. Okay.
Delhi.
Fit Delhiite.
हाँ.
Sorry, Delhi se match. Delhiite, and like going to Bangalore. So, dude, I'm gonna run in my short shorts.
Bangalore? Kerala?
Kerala.
क्या पिक्चर देखा क्या कर रहा है?
Sorry.
Yeah, we've moved on from Loka.
Which? Oh yeah, sorry. Which city
Trivandrum.
are they in again? In
वो नहीं पता मुझे. But they are in Kerala.
Oh, they're in Kerala. Yeah. Take it. Coming back. And
Kochi.
So this guy's
नहीं.
like.
Okay.
So this guy's Siddharth Malhotra's running in super short shorts. He's a Delhiite in Kerala. Okay, fucking super short. This uncle shows up. Okay, also this uncle's character was very
in a
weird.
lungi.
Okay, Mundu.
Okay.
मुंडू पहनो यहाँ पे
Okay,
तुम यहाँ पे मुंडू पहनना पड़ेगा and then they make him wear a mundu and bad costume design again.
What the fuck?
I don't know. The second one, I'm just shitting on the costume for no reason. The mundu thing was a very weird thing to show in this.
यार,
movie.
हाँ, मतलब मैं वही
But
कह रहा हूँ
again,
कि
I was like, I guess stereotyping.
ये उसमें भी है चेतन भगत की जो बुक थी टू स्टेट्स में भी है
Two states. So that's what I'm saying. So what they did was basically मैं आपको बताऊँ, this is a very bad Chennai Express.
Oh yeah, for sure. Chennai Express is already a bad movie.
Yeah. It was bad.
But this is a worse Chennai Express. So बहुत ही similar beats को touch करती हुई फिल्म है. ठीक
Dude,
है.
also one more thing about Param Sundari that irked me is there are no ups and downs in the entire movie. The entire movie is a flat
Oh,
line.
भाई ऐसा
Emotionally
ऐसा चल रही
flat
pitch. यार
line
पता है
है.
So what is the
Nothing
central
nothing.
conflict?
कुछ भी नहीं है.
There's
मैं
nothing
आपको
like-
बताता हूँ भाई, पहली 15 मिनट में आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि ये पिक्चर का थीम था और इसके ऊपर अभी पिक्चर ऐसे बनने वाली है. इट इज एंड अगर मैं आपको पहले द रीजन ऑफ गोइंग टू केरला अगर हटा दो ना तो इट्स आउट एंड आउट चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस. ठीक है, I'll tell you how. And I was surprised because a lot of reviewers said that it's unlike the popular opinion. This is not something like Chennai Express or Two
Yeah,
States.
it's way worse.
I'm like, anyway.
So, the plot
हाँ,
is
the plot of the film, if you've not watched Param Sundari, the plot of the film is कि सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा जो है बहुत अमीर बाप का बहुत अमीर औलाद है. ठीक है, एंड उसका इन्वेस्टमेंट्स देखता है, वो कोई स्टार्टअप्स में इन्वेस्ट
He loves
करता
investing in
है
startups.
और अभी तक उसका कोई भी स्टार्टअप ढंग से चला नहीं है. ठीक है, सारे ठप बैठ गए, पैसे डूब रहे हैं, तो उसका बाप बोल रहा है कि अपना ये सब धंधा वंदा छोड़ के तू मेरे साथ ऑफिस में काम करने लग जा, एटलीस्ट पैसा कमाएगा, मेरा पैसा तो बहुत डुबाता है. उतने टाइम में एक बंदा आता है और बंदा आगे क्या, एंड ही इज शोन टू बी लाइक अ फुल्ली फ्लॉट टिंडर पर्सन हु स्वाइपिंग, हुकिंग अप एंड देन फकिंग ऑफ. ठीक है,
now Abhishek Banerjee enters as a small
अभिषेक
character.
बैनर्जी रैंडम वो क्या कहते हैं कैमियो. ठीक
Hey,
है,
good casting. Abhishek Banerjee. Okay.
बट एनीवे ठीक है, तो वो आता है, वो आगे कहता है कि हमने ये एक ऐप बनाई है, इस ऐप में हम एल्गोरिदम के थ्रू हम आपका सोलमेट फाइंड करते हैं. ठीक है, तो इस पे आप इन्वेस्ट करो. तो सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा जिसको सोलमेट मिला ही नहीं है आज तक, वो इन दिस ल्योर की शायद ये मेरा बिजनेस चला दे और क्या पता. ठीक है, मतलब ठीक है, तो वो उसमें बोलता है ठीक है मैं अपने क्रीडेंशियल्स डालता हूँ सब कुछ. उसका सोलमेट दिखाता है जानवी कपूर इन केरला. तो जस्ट टू प्रूव हिज डैड कि भाई मैं कर सकता हूँ, वो केरला जाता है टू बिल्ड दिस कि इसको तो मैं पटा ही लूंगा और मैं देखता हूँ कि ये मेरी सोलमेट है कि नहीं है. एंड देन दिस एंटायर फिल्म ये लोग एक दूसरे मतलब एज इन चेज कर, मतलब एज इन वो
He goes there to check the validity of an app.
या ठीक है, क्योंकि
whether this girl who we matched with is actually
his soulmate or not.
So
ठीक
then
है?
he'll invest in it.
हाँ,
Okay.
ठीक है, तो
and
फिर
no, not just any soulmate, 100% soulmate match.
100% soulmate, ठीक है, 100% मैच है. तो अब वो basically now this culture
Check करने,
meets
हाँ.
that culture and now there is friction, now there is cat and mouse, now
Also,
there
they
is
try to establish chemistry. They don't do a good job establishing the chemistry between these two. The only thing is these two are good-looking people in general.
Yeah, bro,
That's it.
that's what I'm saying. So like the good parts about the film, good looking people, good locations,
Good costume.
good costumes.
Debatable.
Small blouses.
Small.
भाई
That's
अब-
all the movie is.
भाई
Dude,
आप
you
मत
are
बैठा करो, अब
laughing
बहस
right
करो.
now, okay? You're laughing right now like, oh, I like, look at this perv. He's concentrating on the small blouses. No! The movie does that, dude. The movie does that.
Where? No.
What do you...
Your attention went there.
You're the only one looking at Siddharth's thighs, okay?
Your attention went
But
there.
yeah,
To
dude,
admit.
Siddharth was banging hot in the film, dude.
Siddharth wasn't that hot, dude.
Are you mad?
It was okay, bro. तूने देखी ना वो ऑटू?
Wow, what is this?
War 2 में तो था, मतलब
फिर
वो
क्या?
ऋतिक तो एपिटमी है.
तो फिर?
But सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा was pretty hot.
It was okay, bro. It was okay,
अबे वो
man.
jealous
Trying to each their own.
ठीक है, jealous हूँ मैं भाई. I can't wear small blouses.
You were looking at blouses, he was looking at Mundu. It's fine. Both
Yeah,
of
okay.
you were happy. It's okay.
हाँ, तो बेसिकली अब उन दोनों को बेसिकली आपस में वो जानवी को हल्का भाई इतना ओ फक ब्रो, जहाँ मेरा मत्था खराब हुआ पिक्चर में, वेयर आई वाज लाइक आई एम डन विद दिस फिल्म, फुल्ली डन विद दिस फिल्म.
Okay, I also have a moment. Huh?
Oh, भाई, that was this one dialogue that they say to basically establish कि भाई both of them are falling for each other. अभी तो पिक्चर में हमें पता है कि वो ऐप के लिए ही है, यहाँ पे दिखाया है कि जानवी कपूर को भी मतलब थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसा स्पार्क हुआ है, ठीक है. इस स्पार्क को बताने के लिए जानवी कपूर क्या कहती है?
Yeah.
दिमाग का कोकोनट खाली हो गया है और दिल टॉडी पी के नाच रहा है.
Yeah, she does it.
Bro, I
And
gave up. This is the interval block.
Dude, that and this then becomes the line that he repeats to her.
Repeats towards the end.
Hey, look how much we love each
Yeah,
other.
This is their okay. It was so bad, dude. It was, and dude, okay. I think I'll have to cut this अगर मैं rant कर ही रहा हूँ तो, dude. Okay.
The costumes were bad.
I'll tell you. So before the film, there was this buzz that Janvi is gonna be taking Mohiniyattam classes.
Okay.
And because she's playing a Mohiniyattam dancer, ठीक है, and like a profession. And you know, in the film, they have this proper dialogue where she says कि मैंने professionally सीखा है, वो बच्चों को सिखा रही है, etc. etc. There are two instances where she actually gets to show like the character gets to show that the character is a trained Mohiniyattam dancer.
Right.
Dude, the editing.
Dude, they cut through it.
Yeah!
You don't see the
Cut
dance. See the
You don't
dancer
see the
dance,
dance?
dude.
Bro, and
So
it's
bizarre.
So bizarre. He's completely right only for this point. But it is so bizarre. So the first sequence is in the church. बारिश हो रही है, ये लोग चर्च में भाग जाते हैं. Right before this coconut खाली हो गया है, टॉडी वी के नाच रहा है, ठीक है. He's like कि तुम असली में क्या करना चाहती थी वगैरह वगैरह चीज. लाइक मेरे को ये हाउसकीपिंग नहीं, सॉरी, ये होमस्टे नहीं करने का है, मेरे को असली में तो मोहिनीअट्टम करने का था. तो he's like अच्छा चलो करके दिखाओ. क्या मैं जो रिश्तेदार करो. तो she's like music. She literally goes no music. And he's like ting ting ting.
Oh, shit.
नहीं he does. They don't do this. She's like यहाँ पे पर म्यूजिक का. And then he's like एक असली डांसर को म्यूजिक की जरूरत होती है bro. But he's like नहीं होती, ठीक है. So they literally have a conversation while she is doing Mohiniyattam
Steps.
steps कहूँ. I'm sorry for the
Actions.
मुझे exactly terms नहीं पता, but like अगर आप उसको पोज कह लो या उसको आप एक्शन कह लो या मुद्राएं कह लो, आई रियली सॉरी, मैं क्लासिकल उसको हर्ट नहीं करना चाहता, बट जो भी वो उसके पोस्चर्स थे वो करने का ट्राई करती है. डूड, वो दिखाते ही नहीं.
None of them.
वो जब वो कर रही है वो बस दिखाते हैं कि उसने वो पोस्चर लेना स्टार्ट किया है, वो मुद्रा लेना स्टार्ट किया. कट टू सिद्धार्थ.
Exactly. So you know what definitely happened, right? They shot all that but Janhvi just wasn't able to pull it off or wasn't good.
Probably. तो then यार the thing is release करने से पहले देखी ना तुमने
Yeah,
picture.
correct. कर लो
क्यों
shoot,
डाले वो डायलॉग?
Correct, yeah, correct.
मत डालो ना वो डायलॉग, फिर मत दिखाओ, वो बोलो कि मैं सीखना चाहती हूँ, ऐसा करके बोल दो.
There are exactly right, dude. There are, sorry, I was I wasn't thinking about the blouse or anything.
Yeah, you were checking your blouse size.
But
ठीक है, and the second scene, sorry, just
I have two scenes. Yeah,
and the second instance where they actually show her to be like this proper dancer, where like जहाँ पे वो कैरेक्टर को दिखाने का मौका मिलता है, जहाँ पे वो स्टेज पे प्रॉपर मोहिनीअट्टम परफॉर्म कर रही है, ठीक है. जानवी के कैरेक्टर से जस्ट पहले एक और डांसर है भाई, उसका 5 सेकंड का क्लिप है, ठीक है. उस 5 सेकंड में आप देख के बता सकते हो कि ये प्रोफेशनल डांसर है, ठीक है. एंड उसके बाद जानवी की परफॉर्मेंस होती है, अगेन ग्रेट कॉस्ट्यूम्स, ठीक है. बट जानवी की परफॉर्मेंस होती है भाई, जानवी स्टार्ट करती है, एक तो लॉन्ग शॉट में स्टार्ट करती है सिलुएट में, ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद वो पास लाते हैं एक वो पोस्चर मेंटेन करती है, कट टू सिद्धार्थ, कट टू अनदर पर्सन, एंड देन बैक टू हर, एक पोज, कट बैक टू हर, कट सीन खत्म.
dude, yeah, correct, dude. So this has become, I see this a lot on like body blinds, and I see this on like Instagram. Okay, all the fan pages, Janhvi Kapoor fan pages.
Yeah.
They keep talking about, oh, look at her expressions. Her expression is so good,
dude.
Her expression is so amazing now.
इसमें जो कट मैं बता रहा हूँ, बीच में there are instances जब वो डांस कर रही है भाई, इतना फोकस है.
Yeah, वही है.
पूरी
They keep, dude, this has become the narrative. They are trying to promote क्या expression देते, इतने कुछ expression नहीं देते भाई.
नहीं, एक सेकंड, मुझे मोहिनीअट्टम देखना है उसका. तो मुझे यार,
Is she an expressionist?
Expressionist cinema.
यार she has pretty eyes. I get it. You've established it. ठीक है. हर 3 शॉट में उसकी आंख में कैमरा काहे को डालने का है भाई? अच्छी पलकें हैं. ओके, गुड.
Yeah, correct. Dude, that has become that. And also, dude, expressions का मैं क्या करूं? जब डायलॉग नहीं निकल रहे ठीक से, क्या करूं मैं एक्सप्रेशन?
Bro, the stereotypical
किसके साथ मोहिनीअट्टम करूं के साथ क्या करूं?
accent. एक तो her accent comes and goes.
Yeah, dude, I kept laughing about this throughout the movie. Dude, like Kirti Arora having oh, now she's forgotten the accent again. Now again she's forgotten the accent. Now again throughout the movie, she just becomes a Delhiite fucking Bombay.
हाँ भाई, उसने 2-3 बार बोल दिया.
नहीं होता मोहिनीअट्टम
There are 2 more parts, okay?
So clearly you both enjoyed yourself.
Oh, bro, loved it.
Yeah.
One more, that's 2 more quick scenes that I want to talk about. One is this. So she's introduced by throwing a sickle, like a fucking.
Stop doing that. नारियल काटने वाला ना.
Okay? She's like flinging it.
Fine, okay, yeah,
flinging it at a coconut tree.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Then she
There's a
proceeds.
scene where she's on top.
Yeah, she
climbing
proceeds
a
to then
coconut
climb the coconut tree. Dude, nobody's buying that Janhvi Kapoor can climb this coconut tree. Okay, so she climbs it in like the proper, like, you know how they climb the tree, if you ever seen.
Please show it to us, no?
I can't. There's no way. My legs can't do that. And then push up, and then come up. Not happening.
That was crazy, dude.
So then
Why
do
did
that.
they
Okay?
even show
so
it,
then
yaar?
they at least try to make an effort when she's going up to make it seem like
She's actually
doing
climbing,
it.
yeah.
But while coming down, you can see her shot up like this. Okay.
ये सीन मिस कर दिया था मैंने.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
इस सीन में मैं पॉपकॉर्न ले रहा था बाहर.
Okay, you can
This is right after the interval.
yeah,
no?
yeah. And she looks like she's floating down, like ऐसे आराम से ऐसे कर.
And then नीचे आती she goes, Ami Monjil.
How did that happen?
Another accent change.
That's a real accent.
At least the Siddharth Malhotra, at least he keeps at his accent the entire film.
At least it's Delhi. That's the least.
Yeah, again, पता है, I didn't know why, like, Siddharth was not convincing. He is literally a rich Delhi guy in real life.
Yeah, exactly.
हमें भाई मतलब you were playing you, bro. how were you not able to play you?
It's true. You're right. You're not wrong.
What was the other scene?
The other thing is she has a fiance in this movie.
Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah.
एक तो वो भी नहीं समझ में आया मुझे. मैं आऊँगा उस पे भी.
Yeah, so she has a fiance in this movie. Okay, and he's this very nice, sweet guy. Nothing wrong with him. Has a stable job in what Stanford कैसे कुछ तो है ना?
हाँ, US, UK
Yes,
पता नहीं.
fucking
हाँ.
awesome stable job. Okay, और दूसरा सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा नल्ला. Okay, उसको एक जॉब नहीं समझ, एक बिजनेस नहीं स्टार्ट हो रहा उससे, एक करोड़ों फेंक रहा है.
और वो
करोड़
इन्वेस्टर
फेंक रहा है.
जिसकी वो ऐप टेस्ट करने आया था वो भी फ्रॉड निकलता है by the way.
Abhishek Banerjee is a fraud. Who
हाँ.
defrauded this guy? So now this guy's like, that's when he realizes, oh, so I love her. Because it can't be soulmate app thingy. It's me, my actual feelings. So now I love her. And then by this time she has understood, oh, you are here only for the app.
What about the fiance?
हाँ, so okay, she has a fiance.
साले ADHD के मरीज.
है तो है अगर. She has this fiance and perfectly fine dude. Okay,
Yeah.
and the final dilemma. Okay, and how she goes around it. The dilemma being which guy to choose and whatever, right? So now it's the day of the wedding or the day of the sagai.
Day of the wedding, dude.
To the wedding. Now
Like
Siddharth Malhotra.
Every single line you say is like one cliche after another.
Yeah,
I know,
correct,
bro.
of course.
And it's
like tick boxes. dude.
It's like beat to beat Chennai
Yeah.
Express.
Correct. So day of the wedding. Okay, she's getting married to a fiance. Siddharth is like, fuck, मेरे को बताना पड़ेगा कि मैं ऐप नहीं तो क्या हुआ, प्यार तो है ही हमारा real. Okay. So
मैं शादी में
now
invest करना
to do
चाहता
this,
हूँ.
Siddharth now climbs the tree.
Oh, fuck.
Okay. Now she's talking to him off the balcony. So she's talking on the balcony. He's climbing the tree.
On the tree, huh.
Eye to eye. Okay. Now the reason she gives. Okay. Her reason is that this fiance of mine. Okay. I feel safe and सब comfortable लगता है. But with Siddharth, who I met literally like 5 days back. Okay. सब नया लगता है. सब exciting लगता है. Dude, this is the one moment she's had that realization. It's not like they've built up to this realization.
Yeah.
Okay? It's not like that. They're like, if they keep sprinkling it through, oh,
Yeah.
देखो husband क्या boring है, if fiance, यार loser है. Dude, he's doing everything that she wants
एक तो
Siddharth to
वो
do.
घंटे का लूजर भी नहीं है dude.
Yeah, बहुत
He
बस
literally
बंदा है, bro.
wins a fucking entire contest and he's
Yeah.
the best out of everybody and मतलब he's not as hot as Siddharth. But then he's like, you know, all of that. And bhai, the thing is again, see, I get the fucking. एक तो I have a problem with this. I was talking to a friend about this, but she had a different point of view on this, outlook on this. Where she was like कि ठीक है, it's fine. उसको उसके साथ spark नहीं feel हुआ, अब इसके साथ एकदम spark feel हुआ, etc. etc. ठीक है, fair point. But I was like कि भाई again तुम्हारा love marriage तुम्हारी love marriage नहीं है. I totally understand it. वो बंदा lit and एक ये मुझे problem भी है the nice guy syndrome.
Yeah.
ठीक है, and how
This Salman Khan from कुछ होता है syndrome.
and how Bollywood की movies जो हैं they in a way look down upon like the nice good people.
Right.
ठीक है,
सुबोध from दिल चाहता है.
So, यार चलो वो तो उन्होंने स्टीरियोटिपिकली खराब दिखाया कि मैं 5:55 कोई भी बोर होगा, ठीक है, बट यहाँ पे दे लिटरली शो
Not a one.
not a one problem
Yeah.
with
Dude, he's a proper eligible proper bachelor, bro. Like
and
and
they've
it's good.
announced the marriage and
But
it's
उसके साथ उसके दिमाग का कोकोनट नहीं खाली हुआ यार.
तोड़ी नहीं पिया.
तोड़ी नहीं ना, अच्छा.
बट ठीक है, अगेन दिल का मामला है दिल भर, who are we to say, ठीक है.
Yeah,
Abbas will love this joke. बॉम्बे आके बोलो तेरे टोड़ी मिल से खाना खाता है.
But it's just weird.
Good one. Yes.
But it's just weird that the entire film you've not built anything.
Correct,
Anything,
yeah,
ठीक है.
yeah.
And then the fiance also. Now the fiance basically जब अनाउंस हो गई है शादी वादी सब कुछ, एंड देन ही रियलाइजेस कि फक ब्रो इसको तो उसके साथ ठीक है. कहने को ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि भाई इन्फैचुएशन थी, 10 दिन बाद ठीक हो जाती, ठीक है, बट एनीवे
Exactly, bro.
मतलब कहने को ये भी कह सकते हैं,
Exactly that.
फक दैट. ठीक है, मैं मान गया, उसको एकदम पसंद आ गया, उसको लगा कि भाई यही तो मिसिंग था लाइफ से, अब मिल गया, यही चाहिए बंदा. भाई वो फियोन्से जो था उसका, वो उसको बचपन से प्यार करता है, उसके साथ शादी होने वाली है, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. हो सकता है जानवी उसको बचपन से प्यार नहीं करती. अगेन फेयर, आई एम अग्रीइंग टू ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. भाई दैट बंदा कम्स एंड इज लाइक तुम्हें उसके पास जाना चाहिए. 2 सीन के
No,
अंदर
really.
दो
And
literally
till the previous scene, he thought Siddharth is the brother of his.
brother
like,
of
बोला,
his.
भाई है मेरा भाई.
Yeah, dude, he's like तू पक्का
Again,
भाई.
they try to establish the DDLJ trope also. कि इसलिए he befriends the fiance.
हाँ
Right.
ठीक है. And then
Text it.
भाई वो उसको बोलता भी है कि तू पक्का भाई है ना मेरा.
हाँ.
Because he said
He literally has that
literally says this कि भाई तो हो सकता है तुम्हारे नॉर्थ में किसी को भी भाई बोल देते होंगे.
हाँ.
बट हम लोग यहाँ पे अगर किसी को भाई बोलते हैं that literally means family.
Like
तो तू
चेटा is the word,
चेटा हाँ
yeah.
तो तू सच बता. ठीक है. एंड देन ही सेज नहीं भाई मैं भाई ही हूँ तेरा एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. एंड देन आफ्टर फ्यू सीन्स ही अगेन सेज कि देख मैं समझता हूँ कि तुझे सुंदरी पसंद है, सुंदरी है ही ऐसी,
सबके साथ ऐसी है.
एटसेट्रा. तो मुझे अभी भी बता कि भाई तुझे उसे पसंद है. नहीं तू मेरा भाई है. ये अबे
Exactly. So, Param Sundari, great movie,
Yeah.
guys.
Amazing movie.
Amazing.
okay, yeah. So if you get a chance to watch Param Sundari, please give it a shot. It's
You know, if you want to watch
If
Param
Loka
Sundari,
is playing in one hall and Param Sundari is
Yeah,
playing in
please
the other,
go for Param Sundari.
You know what your choice
Yeah.
should be.
yeah, great costumes.
it will be crazy if our caramel tier people win Param Sundari and the salted people win the Loka tickets. So it's
The movie they can choose.
मूवी देख चूज हम थोड़ी
movie
चूज
they
कर
can
रहे हैं
choose.
उनके
Yeah. Oh, sorry. My bad. Sorry. Again,
तो unsubscribe
we are still working
कर
out.
रहे हैं.
We are still working out the kinks in the hour.
सोचो हम लोगों को जबरदस्ती बिठा के भागी
Yeah,
फोर
पर
दिखा रहे
देखो
हैं.
देखो, Param Sundari.
करो अपने दिमाग का
भागी फोर
कोकोनट
देखो भाई. भागी 4 का एक सीन देखा मैंने क्लिप पे. वो देखी
know,
आपने
you sent it to me.
डेडपूल वुल्वरिन देखी है आपने?
Yeah, yeah.
देखिए आपने
हाँ.
भाई उसमें वो वाला सीन है ना जहाँ पे वुल्वरिन पूरा बॉडी दिखा रहा है और इधर से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आ रहा है और उसको वो जोड़ के रखना है.
Climax, हाँ.
क्लाइमैक्स भाई
What's it?
टाइगर श्रॉफ भाई. टाइगर श्रॉफ
हाँ
भाई.
यार.
टाइगर
टाइगर विन
टाइगर ब्रो.
Not what Wolverine.
वुल्वर श्रॉफ.
Tiger in. Tiger in.
वुल्वर श्रॉफ बेच. और भाई पता भाई वुल्वरिन का ना ऐसा मास्क में भी लग रहा था कि उसके ठीक है करने में यू नो हाउ टाइगर स्टैंडिंग लाइक
वैसे भाई से एक्टिंग तो होती नहीं है यार, क्या करे वैसा.
एक वो भी तो सीन तूने भेजा मेरे को जो वो खिड़की में कांच तोड़ के देखता है अंदर एनिमल वाले वो बैठे रहते हैं
अंदर ना एनिमल वाले बंदे मतलब
मास्क
तो
वाले.
मास्क भाई क्यों एनीवे क्यों बनाना है हर किसी को एनिमल का हॉलवे वाला सीन. बट एनीवे अंदर सूट वूट में मास्क पहन के बंदे बैठे हैं. ठीक है. इधर से अपना टाइगर श्रॉफ चलते हुए आता
पर
है.
क्यों बैठे क्या कर रहे हैं?
ऐसे डरे हुए हैं
डरे
बस.
में है टाइगर से
अच्छा.
डरे में है उन्होंने.
But see, the mask wearing people. Have you seen the movie? No,
No,
you
of
haven't.
course not, bro.
scene that
You don't know.
is-
ठीक है यार आई डोंट
You
नो.
don't know
ठीक
context,
है.
yeah.
तो वो मास्क वाले लोग बेसिकली टाइगर को मार रहे होंगे एंड देन टाइगर ने 200 में से 150 लोग मार दिए तो बाकी 50 लोग छुप गए. ठीक है. एंड देन टाइगर मस्त ऐसा चलते हुए आता है, ऐसा शीशा तोड़ता है दरवाजे का एंड उसमें से ऐसे नीचे दिखता है. ठीक है. और एक आंख दिखती है उसमें से और वहां पे कट टू वहां पे 50 लोग. ठीक है. मास्क पहन के
Of course. I've not even seen it and I could tell what they were doing.
मस्त कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. अबे भाई. ठीक है. एंड देन ही गोज लाइक मैं आ जाऊं क्या अंदर आ जाऊं क्या. हाँ ब्रो लाइक समथिंग अलोंग द सेम लाइक
Here's Tiger.
ब्रो. एंड देन वो अपना एक्स अंदर डालता है. ठीक है.
हाँ.
और वो एक्स से ऐसे करके कुंडी खोलता है. ठीक है. जब तक वो आराम से अपना कुंडी खोल रहा है तब तक वहां पे लोग
Wolver Shroff. Oh fuck, bro. Anyway, let's end with Bats
Bro,
of Bollywood.
let's make pop conversation merchandise and make a t-shirt called
Wolver Shroff.
Wolver Shroff.
And Tiger Shroff doing it.
बॉडी टाइगर श्रॉफ का चेहरा वुल्वरिन का.
Okay. All right. The last thing we have to talk about on this episode is
Bads of
the
Bollywood.
Bastards, the Ballads of Bollywood, whatever the show's actually going to be called.
Yeah.
Did you also, I don't know, I've encountered this, I've told you guys this already, I've encountered this a lot, that people aren't sure कि movie है, show है, other people keep calling
I
it a
think
movie.
show है.
I was very.
But they keep releasing trailers, which is more normal for a
मतलब
movie.
it's a movie like show.
Oh, really, Snail? Is it really? It's a movie like show. Oh yeah.
It's a show about a movie.
Yeah.
No, the reason they're releasing so many trailers is obviously because it's like a very anticipated show because Shah Rukh Khan's son is directing it. So they want
And
to
has
create-
written it.
And has written it. So they want to create as much hype as they can.
Also, probably the first project where we see all the three Khans sharing the screen.
I think I don't think they'll share the screen. I think they'll be in
No, they'll be in the
different-
same project, but like
Like they are in
possibly
the same
different episodes
project,
even.
but yeah, bro, like
Luck
देखो,
by chance में नहीं था तीनों.
नहीं
नहीं।
सलमान का है, आमिर भी नहीं है.
all the three
आमिर
Khans.
है स्टार्टिंग में. कोंकणा का जो एक इंट्रो सीन होता है, she's shooting with Amir.
हाँ, she's shooting with Amir. Yes, she's right. तो see, right now all the three Khans are on great terms.
Yeah.
एक दूसरे की फिल्म में
Yeah.
वो तो कर ही जा रहे हैं कैमियो वैमियो.
हाँ.
तो आई डोंट थिंक इट्स नॉट अ पॉसिबिलिटी वेयर शाहरुख वुड हैव गॉन लाइक कि भाई हमने कभी स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं किया है, मेरे बेटे का पहला प्रोजेक्ट है, हम तीनों एक फ्रेम शेयर कर सकते हैं.
Probably,
एंड आई
yeah.
थिंक दिस इज प्रोबेबली गोना बी द शो.
Oh, they're all entering. I mean, Salman is at a party. Yes.
Salman is at a party.
Bullshit party.
या
Okay, and Shah Rukh is also trying to enter a party. The बादशाह वाला, the मनोज पाव वाला डायलॉग.
घंटे का बादशाह.
घंटे का बादशाह. घंटे का बादशाह.
हाई चांसेस हनी सिंह उस एक डायलॉग को क्लिप करके अपनी स्टोरी पे डाल रहे
Have you seen the studio, the Seth Rogen show?
Loved it. I've devoured
You
it.
think this will be somewhere close to like what the studio was?
Oh, you've talked about it. जब इसका announcement हुआ था, we've at
हाँ,
length
हाँ,
we've talked
probably.
about
So,
it. Yeah.
so they're definitely going down the route of Bollywood parody, pop culture parody,
And also
that kind of
actors playing themselves,
actors playing themselves.
directors
There's
playing
definitely
themselves.
part of it. But I think it won't reach the mark of the studio because studio is also like shot a particular way, which
Yeah,
is
yeah, sure.
Technically so amazing.
But the
That
studios,
comes, I think, after years and years
the
of doing
studio's
it.
objective was to sort of expose Hollywood in a sarcastic way, right? Do you think?
I think
this
to
will-
some extent, yes, they will manage to do
because
that.
here the thing is,
they trailer में भी देख के लग रहा है कि they do manage to do that to some
मतलब
extent. a little bit.
शाहरुख और शाहरुख की फैमिली जितना ही चाहे मजाक उड़ा ले, at the end of the day, they are there because of the industry, so they will not outright.
Bro, they are
make fun of
also
it.
at a point where nobody can touch them and nothing can harm them.
That's also true, yeah.
Karan Johar, Shah Rukh Khan,
Dude,
all these
exactly,
people.
dude. Like, in the sense,
if
Netflix
if they
needs-
crack jokes, sorry, if they crack jokes on anyone or
They
on
will have to
themselves,
laugh and take it.
Yeah, अबे शाहरुख मेरे पे जोक थप्पड़ मार के हे कर दे, मेरे को हंसना ही पड़ेगा.
By the way, the last shot, again, if you've seen the trailer, you've seen this, where Shah Rukh tries to hit a guy.
वानखेड़े call back.
हाँ, I thought there was that.
Yeah, तेरे में आ गई.
Oh yeah, I didn't make that. You're right. I didn't make that.
One kid-
ऐसे तो बहुत है यार, वो जो जेल में डालते हुए सीन है.
हाँ कि वो कि एक बार जो बंदा जेल जाता है
उससे
वो फिर
पत्थर
फेमस हो जाता
जाता
है.
है.
That is him taking a dig at himself.
Then that whole the one where Asman, the main hero, Lakshya's character,
Yeah.
is talking to that Bobby Deol's daughter on panel. Is they trying to make
The Siddhant
Ananya and
Chaturvedi
Siddhant.
scene.
yeah, Anand and Siddharth.
yeah.
Yeah,
Siddharth wala
sure,
Yeah,
sure,
उनका
kind of
struggle
thing.
खत्म.
Also, this is another project where a nepo baby is making a film about how
Nepotism.
difficult it is for outsiders to, which is again a parallel जो उसका मैंने अभी एक फिल्म देखी है, आंखों की गुस्ताखियाँ, शनाया कपूर का डेब्यू और विक्रांत मसे, which is a love story, and उसमें शनाया कपूर is playing an actress जो कि आउटसाइडर है, एंड शी इज बेसिकली लाइक कि मैं ये नेपोटिज्म को दिखा दूंगी कि आउटसाइडर्स को आना कितना मुश्किल है. ठीक है, शी की एक तो लाइक शी इज टॉकिंग टू हर डैड एंड बी लाइक कि एक तो वैसे ही आउटसाइडर्स का आना इतना मुश्किल है, मुझे चांस मिल रहा है इतनी मुश्किल से, तो मुझे करने दो ना, मैं प्रॉपर थिएटर एक्ट्रेस हूँ, ये हूँ वो हूँ एटसेट्रा
वो
एटसेट्रा.
फिल्म किसने बनाई है?
मुझे नहीं मालूम भाई.
That's not a nepo kid, no, I think.
How,
नहीं, but she's
how
act-
is that? How is the movie?
Bro, so it's a very basic love story. Surprise, like, okay, contrary to what people had notions कि शनाया का डेब्यू सबसे ही खराब होगा, it's not the case. She's not सबसे खराब. Yeah.
There is a movie coming out with her and Adarsh Gaurav.
Yeah.
That looks pretty cool.
Oh, that,
तुम something यार,
तू तेरा
तू मेरी मैं तेरा मैं तेरी,
वो
मैं तेरा।
कार्तिक आर्यन और अनन्या पांडे की
जिसका
है.
टीजर रिलीज हुआ था.
The creature,
yeah, that one.
हाँ,
Yeah,
जिसके
yeah.
अंदर
Yeah.
हाँ
तू मैं तू
वो कार्तिक की है, बट ये भी ऐसी है, तुम
हाँ,
मेरी हो मैं तुम मेरी हो टाइप्स, 3 वर्ड का टाइटल है, अभी याद
तुम
नहीं आ
मेरी
रहा।
हो टाइप्स.
तू मेरी मैं तेरा मैं
एंड वो क्रोकोडाइल क्रीचर कॉमेडी है, कॉमेडी कह रहा हूँ, क्रीचर हॉरर होगा।
क्या जोक मारता है क्रोकोडाइल।
पर क्रीचर हॉरर कॉमेडी लग रही है वो तो.
नहीं कॉमेडी
कॉमेडी तो नहीं लग रही, बट आई थिंक हाँ करण जौहर ने एक शायद पॉडकास्ट में बोला था दैट he's seen bits of it and he's very excited about the
Oh, it's Dharma.
He's not gonna say I saw it, I hated it.
Yeah, क्या बोलेगा?
मतलब he could have skipped the conversation.
True, yeah.
But like if he specifically
आदर्श गौरव
mentioned
है
it,
तो ठीक ही होगी.
yeah, अरे तुमने तो
अच्छी फिल्में करता है यार.
हाँ for sure.
Yeah. So Bats of Bollywood, do you think it'll hit it out of the park?
Bro, out of the fucking one kid.
मेरे को थोड़ा ओवर स्टफ लग रहा है ट्रेलर देख के. It feels like they stuffed in too many.
Bro, I think
Fair,
अगर
but-
वेब शो है उसके अंदर 10 एपिसोड हैं,
I think हो जाएगा.
वो
No,
निकाल
but
लेगा.
10 नहीं रहेंगे. I think the new Netflix norm is 8.
8 ठीक
Yeah.
है.
6 or 8.
Six or 8.
मतलब अगर 1-1 घंटे के 6-7 एपिसोड हैं, 8 एपिसोड हैं, आई थिंक यार ऊपर से जैसे लक बाय चांस, आई एम नॉट कंपेयरिंग लक बाय चांस एंड बैट्स ऑफ बॉलीवुड, बट अगर इफ यू दे डोंट हैव द फकिंग वेट टू जस्टिफाई एवरी कैमियो, इंडस्ट्री में दे कैन जस्ट बी देयर ना, लर्किंग अराउंड.
Yeah.
For anything.
Yeah, for anything.
So, dude, part of what happens, like, see, Adam Sandler right now did Happy Gilmore 2.
Yeah.
And Happy Gilmore 2, dude, the movie का story जो भी रहेगा, everyone and their mother has a cameo in it. Because everyone wants to be, Happy Gilmore is such a huge
Yeah.
classic movie
Yeah.
of its time that people want to be in Happy Gilmore 2, whether they know the script or not, just because Adam Sandler is there, right? It's an Adam Sandler classic. So that becomes part of, dude, so the movie, if you watch the movie is not great, but पूरा टाइम इसमें चला, oh look at this cameo, oh look at this guy also, oh look at this guy also, oh that's all pretty cool, this guy said yes, oh that's pretty cool.
और ऊपर से I
that's
think
what the movie is
the
gonna,
only
that's what the show is
person
gonna
in
be.
the industry who can do it is Shah Rukh.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah,
who's gonna
yeah.
say no to Shah Rukh?
Do you want to take a guess on who the most surprising cameo will be?
Oh,
Priyanka Chopra.
that would
Good
be
guess.
surprising. That's
Yeah,
a very
that
good
would
guess.
be-
Like if she's there, it's the most surprising cameo.
True.
If she's not, then
I think Aditya Chopra also, all the
That's
Chopras,
also
the
another
Chopra,
good-
both the Chopras.
Considering he's never really made an appearance apart from Romantics, that is
Yeah.
also a good
Yeah.
guess. Yeah. मेरे हिसाब से
Modi ji.
I think,
never know, bro.
Also Prem Chopra.
He could very well be there, bro.
I just want to make the Chopra joke, dude. How did I get this? What?
But yeah, looking forward to back
अरे
to
अपना वो तो बताओ सरप्राइजिंग कैमियो.
Who could it be? I mean,
It's okay, man. Sometimes you ask the question, not
I
having a
need
good
to
answer
answer
yourself.
yourself. Yeah.
It's okay, but like,
Gauri?
The lead.
Gauri तो
is-
there gonna be,
Yeah,
bro.
तो
She's
advert
a
में
producer.
Gauri is the producer here. You
But
never
bro,
know
she
whether
already
she
made
is.
an appearance in.
Yeah, she's come in ads.
And Bollywood wives
in a,
also,
In a
yeah.
Shah Rukh production, it's not surprising. to
It's a
see
Gauri production.
In a Gauri production, it's even less surprising if Gauri
Oh,
shows up.
it's
I don't
Yeah.
know. She's not been. हाँ मतलब like she's been there in
Oh.
the live shows like
Rajni sir.
reality. Rajni sir.
Surprising cameo if he shows up.
yeah, that's true.
बच्चन साहब.
Bachchan Saab, though, I'm pretty sure it's.
I मतलब मुझे डाउट है बच्चन साहब.
अरे तुम
I am predicting in the end he will come for a big scene and give a monologue. Amitabh.
Amitabh.
Yeah. जो आसमान
no.
आसमान को वो कुछ
I don't see that
advice
happening.
देगा.
तो फिर हम उसको उस मूवी को झूठ बुलाएंगे फिर.
जाते जाते बेटा मैं कहना चाहूंगा
उस मूवी को every other
आसमान तुम्हारा नाम होगा लेकिन तुम आसमान पे मत चढ़ो.
हाँ नंदिनी मेरी चाय किधर. नंदिनी अरे भाई बेटा क्या आया आप तो हमें
बड़ा
ही भूल
अच्छा
गए.
लगा कि शाहरुख का बेटा जो है बड़े अच्छी चीजें बना रहा है. मेरा बेटा पता नहीं कहाँ है.
अरे ये कौन है वो अब्बास उसके साथ पिक्चर कर रहा है.
जब से अब्बास के साथ
अरे
पिक्चर किया
यार.
है करियर और डूब गया.
अरे अभिषेक अरे नंदिनी ये अभिषेक को रोको. You should have stopped at Woolworths. अरे भाई कोई खीर खिला दो भाई.
तो भाई ये फिल्में खोला ना. क्या फिल्में
को लड़ा. All right, guys, that brings us to the end of this awesome episode of Pop
Yes.
Conversation. We talked about Bats of Bollywood, Param Sundari, Loka,
Loga and Big Boss.
and a little bit of Big Boss also.
And Bats of Bollywood, bro.
हाँ वो तो बोला
That
पहले
was
ही
the
बोला.
first
Acha,
one.
wait.
Yeah.
I'm doing
And
the
we also talked about Baghi 4.
Oh yeah.
Do you know there's another movie coming out called...
Full version of.
Another movie that looks kind of interesting. Just quick 1 minute.
Bro, Jolly LLB 3.
Firstly that, but we talked already about it. That too, all trailers out. It's already going to be a hit. I think it's already there's
Yeah.
good buzz around.
Nishanchi, bro.
Nishanchi also. There's one called Ek Chaturanar.
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
Neil Nitin Mukesh.
Divya Khosla and Neil
Neil
Nitin
Nitin
Mukesh.
Mukesh.
Yes.
Yeah, that looks pretty interesting also, by the way. Just putting it out
What a
there.
weird pair, Divya Khosla and Neil Nitin.
Yeah, but they're not paired as a romantic couple.
Okay.
They're against each other. Is what my understanding is from
Oh.
watching the trailer. Yeah.
Nice.
Pretty looks pretty cool. Check out the trailer. Okay, Ek Chaturanar. And another movie coming out is Sunny Sanskari Ki Tulsi Kumari. This movie is getting hate. I'll tell you why. Because Sania Malhotra and Janhvi are both in it. But Sania is like second fiddle to Janhvi, where people are like, dude, the much more talented actor.
No, but star power wise, it makes sense, yeah.
But the much more talented actor. Star power के लिए influence
When
से
has
लाओ
that
यार.
ever been a criteria?
Yeah,
for
but
Bollywood?
I think soon the tides are going to change.
the
Pretty
news
soon there'll be a movie where Janhvi is no longer there.
the new song basically gives out the plot also somewhat. Ki
Quadrangle.
हाँ,
Quadrilateral, what is
Love Square.
square. Love per square foot.
Love
Good
Yappa.
film. Love Yappa, not a good film. वो क्या कहते हैं? Sania Malhotra is in love with Varun Dhawan and this guy.
Varun Dhawan is in love with Janhvi.
Janhvi
Janhvi
Kapoor.
is also in love with Varun.
Rohit Saraf is in love with Janhvi Kapoor.
How many people
Dude,
are
by
in
the
love
way,
with
you know,
Square?
Rohit
चार ही
Saraf-
हैं. तीतर के
I'm
दो
sure.
आगे, तीतर के दो
You know,
पीछे तीतर.
Rohit Saraf and Sania Malhotra, I think, are in the movie together because they had that one song video, dance video that went viral together. So people like the chemistry in that.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah, we believe you, Antarik.
ठीक है. Also, apparently, this was
We
supposed.
don't creep on Sania's Instagram to see which videos of her are
Also,
going.
apparently, this movie was supposed to be the third installment of the Dulhania franchise.
Oh, अच्छा.
Yeah, it sounds like
Amelie Sharma की तरह.
Yeah. So, but I think शायद आलिया ने शायद मतलब मना कर दिया या किसी कुछ भी रीजंस की वजह से अगर वो नहीं कर पाई ये फिल्म एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे प्रॉब्ली हैड टू चेंज इट टू लाइक अ डिफरेंट फिल्म बट ऑफ द same-ish.
But if Dharma owns the IP, they could have done.
Yeah, but Dulhania franchise without Alia does not make sense also, no? Like Humpty
Nobody's
Sharma.
gonna bat an eye, dude.
Bro, a lot of people would say that. Bro, Alia Bhatt is literally the top
Dude,
tier.
If they have one actor, is it ever surprising if they change the other actor? That is never been
Like
Yeah.
LLB 2 did not have Arshad Varsi.
Yeah, and Bunty and Bubbly में Bunty और Bubbly 2 में उन लोगों ने अभिषेक को हटा के सैफ को डाल दिया bro.
But that wasn't just
And
a
they were
bad movie,
expecting
you know.
us कि वेंचो हम लोग नोट ना करें.
वो तो है.
साला.
वाह, मेरी हाइट को क्या हो गया यार?
Hey, bro.
तेरा चेहरे को क्या हो? Hey, pause 1 second. We're not doing the lucky draw in this episode, are we?
No, not yet.
Okay.
अभी बस अनाउंस कर रहे हैं अगले हफ्ते से करेंगे.
ठीक है.
अभी 3-4 हफ्ते हम अनाउंस करते रहेंगे. मस्त ऐसा टाइम पास हो जाएगा.
आपको रामायण 2026 देखनी है तो आप जीत सकते हैं. Wrap it up, bro.
वेंचो
finish your
वर्किंग डे है भाई कल.
Or finish it. As in, like, just keep it. Finish drinking your fucking
Like,
water, bro.
finish the process of drinking water.
You can't be like, okay, we give it a clean take and then Abbas drinking water in the clean take. Continuity error. Okay, coming back in 3, 2, 1.